Welcome to this step-by-step guide on connecting your WhatsApp business account to Acele. In this video, we'll also cover how to set up your payment method for a seamless experience. So let's get started. First, log into your Acele dashboard and navigate to the WhatsApp Connect Account section, then click on the Connect WhatsApp button. Now here you have two options. Connect WhatsApp with catalog permission and Connect WhatsApp without catalog permission. Catalog permission is for e-commerce website, so if you have e-commerce website, go for the Connect WhatsApp with catalog permission. So for now we go with the Connect WhatsApp without catalog permission. Now a pop-up will appear prompting you to log into your Facebook account. If you're already logged in, simply click Continue. Now, click on Get Started, and select your existing business profile, or create a new one by entering business name, website or profile page URL, and country, and click Next to proceed. Now, you have select from the option. If you are from India, connect your existing WhatsApp business app not works, so we will go with Start with a new WhatsApp phone number. Now, choose an existing WhatsApp business account or create a new one, and also select an existing WhatsApp business profile or create a new one, and click Next to continue. Now, enter your WhatsApp display name, and choose the appropriate business category, and click Next. Now, choose Add New Number, and enter the phone number you want to use. It must not be in use on WhatsApp. If it is, you'll need to remove it first. Choose a verification method, SMS or call, click Next. Now, enter the verification code, and click Next. If you go with Connect with Catalog Permission, then you have to select an existing catalog, and click Next. Now, review the permissions and settings, and click Finish to complete the integration. Now, wait for some time until you get the success message. Congratulations, now your number is connected successfully. Now let go and set up the payment method on Meta. To set up the payment method, click on Manage button. This will open your WhatsApp business profile on Meta. Now, select your Meta business profile, then click on WhatsApp accounts, and select your WhatsApp account, then click on Payment Setting. This will take you to Billing and Payments. Now, click on Add Payment Method. A pop-up will appear titled Add Payment Information, so enter your country and time zone, then click Next. Now select Add Payment Method, choose debit or credit card, and click Next. Enter your card details, and save the card. Now last step, click on Business Info and enter the business details, and click on Save. You've now successfully connected your WhatsApp business account to Acele and set up your payment method. Thank you for watching.